Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your YouTube account. So if you have a YouTube account that you're not using, or if you want to delete it for some reason, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete it. So first go to your browser and go to youtube.com, and on the right hand side you can see your profile. Click there and click on settings. So once you're here, all you have to do is click on advanced settings, and here you can see the option to delete your channel. Click here, and then over here you can see two options if you want to hide your channel or permanently delete. In our case we want to delete our account, so click on permanently delete my content and tick the following, and then click on delete my content. And over here you have to type your email address for verification, so let's copy and paste it. And after that just click on delete my content, and you'll be able to delete your YouTube account. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.